Happy Friday. Markets are weak today. Testing out, adding some sound and my ugly palooka of a face. Chime in if you would rather I went back to silent and without the visual gribble in front of you. Market again is really, really weak. If you look down here, this is showing that there's about 807,000 pre-market shares bought and sold on the S&P 500. It is about maybe a little less than 1/3 of what's been happening in a down market these last couple of months. So I don't know that I'll trade today. Surely a lot of people took a 4-day weekend and are not trading. So it's a good day to test out the new rig on OBS, which is doing this recording. We'll see. Anyway, music is courteous of Trentemuller. Some Danish music. Yep, so as you can see, what was up on my scanners today is pretty dead. Manchester, which is Manchester United, is perking a bit there. Share size, or shares traded are 462,000. NEO is selling off 1 million shares. MANU, which was #1 in pre-market, is looking like it's going to sell off also. Neurobo Pharmaceuticals selling off. XPEV, Chinese EV, selling off just like NEO. It's an oil company, alternative, not alternative, but a Brazilian energy company. It's just kind of holding its own. Everything is kind of holding its own. Watching the SPY here, I key in on volumes. So MANU is looking pretty good. It's green. It's still not strong enough to do a trade. This may be a day where I just sit on my hands and watch what's happening. Nothing looks so far very good for trading. This blue line here is the VWAP. That's the volume weighted average price. Traders, institutional traders, basically their performance is measured on how close they stayed to trading on the volume weighted average price. So it's kind of a key people watch. As you can see, MANU is, which is right here, is up a bit. It's showing to be over here, if you look at this, 800 and almost 9% gain on the day. It's an expensive stock. I usually stay between $2 and $10 stocks, just in general. Very weak. Again, look at the SPY. This is, we're looking at 3-minute charts here. Okay. is what a 5-minute chart looks like. This is what most people trade off of in terms of day traders. I like to tune it in a little bit more, so I use a 3-minute. But on a 5-minute, there's nothing going on today. Well, MANU is looking like the best bet for now, so I'm going to switch over and tee it up on my trading chart. I've just added it to my broker here. So this is showing us the live real-time purchases, asks, and bids. So there's right now there's a big spread. What's that? Big spread between the ask and the bid. But volume-wise, it's green and it's trading the best. We'll watch it a little bit longer before I jump into a trade. Everything else that we were just watching remains red. Oh, there goes Manchester. It's perking. So we'll take a trade on it.
Order filled.
I love this music. I love this philosophy.
Order filled.
So that was almost a $4,000 profit. Oh, if I'd just stayed in a little bit longer, it could have been an $8,000 to $10,000 profit, and it continues to ramp. Now, better safe than sorry.
Order filled.
So what I'm actually watching is not on that screen display in terms of what we've got. I'm looking down here on the left-hand side of the page. This is showing the real time from the broker of how much it's either gone up or gone down in terms of the account. So there's a variation in terms of time. Well, let's go.
Order filled.
Okay.
Music is a big prayer.
Yeah, it looks like it's trying to kill me. Yep. Let's see if it bounces back. Looking pretty weak. Looks like it's going to continue. Oops, it's jumping back up there. It's teasing me.
Order filled.
So every time I place an order, when it's going down, it drops my average price down. And so hopefully the stock will again bounce back up. It's a gamble. So is life. And we'll see if we can make up. Averaging down is what it's called. So I place my orders rapidly with the broker, which is over on the left-hand side of the screen. It's called TradeStation. The charts are per another company called TradingView. And I use hotkeys in combination with a macro keyboard so I can, there we go.
Order filled.
Okay, so now we're just made $63,431 in 10 minutes. And you know what? On a day like today, I'm happy with that. So, arrivederci. I hope you enjoyed this video.